name is Lasse Bay, and I'm a captain here in Smartlynx and also the Group Director of Flight Operation.
My name is Hannah Blom, I'm a first officer here at Smartlynx.
We've been on the internet and we are here to answer the most Googled questions about being a pilot.
Alright, so let's get to the first question. What pilots say before takeoff? What I say more is like, right, we get cleared for takeoff and then we put chrono, ready, and if I'm pilot flying, I go with ready, short time, and then I go with thrust levers. It's short time.
You know that the engines are doing the work.
No, I'm doing it. I have the power over the engines. Until captain puts the hand on the thrust lever at least. What pilot carries on their luggage?
An iPad.
That's it?
That's it?
Oh wow. That's all?
What more do I need?
Well, I have an iPad, I have a book, I have 2-3 pens, and I also have a swimsuit.
A swimsuit?
Everything.
What do we need a swimsuit for?
You never know if you get a layover sometimes, something happens, you have to stay somewhere. So I was ready to swim.
But last time you flew to Dublin, so you plan to swim in the sea?
No, but we have actually very good hotels at Smartlynx and usually they have very nice pools.
Okay, have to reconsider my iPad, I can see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, next question.
Okay.
So, what pilots say before landing?
We say contact.
Contact.
So just before landing, then I'll say to make sure that both of us agree to land, we say contact when we can see the runway. And we're supposed to be serious. Sometimes you can say something funny, like
no.
Like being unpredictable if it's really windy. Sometimes the plane is a little bit lively.
For me, contact is way earlier, usually. I haven't had so bad clouds. So usually I hear the auto call for minima. So I say continue.
Okay.
Yeah, and I wait for my captain to actually confirm. Yeah, continue. You're doing good.
Continue.
It's good to know someone is with you. All right. What pilots do during turbulence? We are making the turbulence.
You're not supposed to say that.
We're the one making it.
So if we're bored, put on the seatbelt signs, make turbulence. No.
No.
What do we do? Well, normally we actually talk to other aircrafts that is ahead of us to see if the turbulence, how long it's going to last, since most passengers don't really like, I'll say, when they feel they're flying. As a pilot, we kind of love it. So, and then we go on the PA, and then we tell the passengers that everything is under control. They like to hear that the pilot voice, the calm in our voices, that everything is under control. So we pretend.
No! It is actually not dangerous at all. It's very common, it's very normal. It's just some air and cloudy or different reasons for the turbulence. It's absolutely nothing dangerous with it. You should enjoy it actually. It's like in a roller coaster. What pilots do to prepare for long-haul flights?
Well, the same as for the short-haul flights. I mean, the idea is the same. We check wind and weather. Of course, there's more pages when we have to fly a long way. So that's one of the differences. Else it's basically the same.
For me, it's exactly the same. Long haul, short haul, longer in there, better view for longer time.
You don't bring an extra book?
I always have a book too, actually.
Yeah, but that's for short haul. What about long haul?
Not an extra book. Extra swimsuit, maybe.
Okay.
Because usually long hauls is to another continent, which means bye Europe, warmer weather.
I bring a charger for the iPad.
So thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, just comment down below and we will be happy to answer them.
And if you got inspired for all the answers and want to join the team, then please check all our vacancies on www.smartlynx.aero.